Let's talk about it, because apparently y'all don't know the difference and it's really pissing you off. So when it comes to 1099 and C2C, you think they're the same, you're already at a disadvantage and you're losing out on so much money. And the reason why I say that, because it can affect your taxes, it can affect your income, and it can affect legal risk. So let's start with 1099 first. 1099 is basically you are a contractor, but you are an individual contractor, which means that you're not an employee. You're still your own boss, but you're your own boss as a 1099. The difference is that you get paid under your name and not under your LLC. So which means you don't have to have an LLC to start a 1099 contract. You can just literally use your social security and you could be done first name, last name. That's it. Send it to the bank account. That's all you need. So which means you are handling your income personally and you are handling all your taxes personally. So which means you don't get much tax advantage. With C2C, you are your own business entity. You can do it either under an LLC or an S-corp, and you have business taxes, you have business insurance, and on top of that, you are considered as a vendor and a partner and not just an individual contractor. Your company can provide the services and you can hire subs, you can hire anybody you want under there, and you don't have to do the physical labor. But as a 1099, you're doing physical labor and nobody else better not touch that work but you. I can say 1099s are a simpler setup versus with C2C. It's going to take a little bit, like 30, 60 days, depending on what state you live in to get set up. But as a 1099, you can do it literally same day and just say, hey, I want a contract right now. As with C2C, it don't work like that. It used to work as in with C2C. You could just say, hey, I want to talk to a recruiter. I want a contract. Can you give me one? Give it to me. It don't work like that no more either. So with C2C, it's strictly more you have to position yourself properly, professionally. Branding has to be on point, and you have to make sure all your skills are top notch and you are SME what you do. As a 1099, you don't have to be a SME. You can literally learn your skills yesterday and they'll probably give you a job the same day. Now with C2C, you can do more enterprise contracts. As with 1099, not so much. You can do like smaller contracts or like do some government stuff, but when it comes to enterprise level work, absolutely not. They want to work with mainly C2C professionals only. With 1099s, you can do self-employment taxes and you can do some deductions, but not as many and not the best deductions you can as a business. So like it really just depends on what all you're doing for the client, even though most time you use your own equipment for both. But it really just depends on what you get and what you do.